Hi friends, today we are simplifying an interesting logarithmic expression. This is what we call argument of a logarithm. This is the base. So if you look at the argument, again you can see logarithm of a certain other number to the base 8. It goes on like that. In numerical expressions of this kind, the first step is to take the innermost numerical expression in terms of logarithm. That is this one. And we will simplify this. Then we will substitute. That is the way to go about. So taking this term alone, logarithm of 3 to the power 2916 to the base 81. See, if you look at the argument, that is an exponential term, whereas the base is just an integer. The first step is to convert both the argument, which is 3 to the power of 2916, and base figure 81 to the same base. What we can do is, we will write 81 as 3 to the power of, and the argument as it is. Okay. Now there is a rule in logarithm which says logarithm of a to the power of p to the base b to the power of q. Here both the argument and the base are exponential expressions. In such cases, this will get converted to p over q log a to the power b. There is a rule like this in logarithm. We will make use of that for simplifying. Here a is 3, again b is also 3. So making use of this result, you will have 2916 divided by 4 log 3 to the base 3. Log 3 to the base 3, as you know, is 1. So this will get reduced to this. This on simplification 7 to 9. Okay. So this we have simplified to this. Now let me take this term. See, one by one we are simplifying. This we have simplified to this. Now let's distribute this logarithm to this number. So you will have log 27. See, if I write this alone, this is what you get. 81, 3 to the power of 2916. Okay, if you look at this part, this is equal to 729. So let me plug in 729 here, and then comes 27. Here again, we will convert both 729 and 27 as the power of 3. See, I'll show you that here. 729 is 9 cubed is 3 squared, the whole to the power of 3, which is 3, 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. Okay, this is based on law of index. Okay, and 27 is 3 to the power 3. So this will be equal to log 729, 3 to the power 6, 27, 3 to the power 3. Now making use of this rule, this will be 6 divided by 3, log 3 to the base 3. This is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So what do you have? This whole thing is 2. Can you see that? Okay, so let me rewrite the expression. Okay, this is log to the base 3, log to the base 8, and inside this we have, see, that is this. And we got it simplified to 2. So, or shall I write the whole thing to avoid any possible confusion you can possibly have? Log 81, 3, 2916. Now look at this expression is this, and that's been simplified to 2. So I'm going to write log 3, log 8. This I'm replacing by its value, which is 2. Okay, so this is what the whole expression will get reduced to. Now we'll start from here. That's equal to log 3, log to the base 3, then log 2 to the base 8. Okay, I'll do it separately. Look at this. Log 2 to the base 8, you can write like this. Yeah, 2, I can write just 2 to the power 1, and 8, I'll write 2 to the power 3. Again, we are making use of the rule I showed you before, and you will have 1 over 3 log 2 to the base 2, which is 1 over 3. Okay, so this expression is just 1 divided by 3. I am substituting that here. Now log 1 divided by 3 is nothing but 3 to the power minus 1. And this minus 1 will come down using power rule. So minus 1 log 3 to the base 3, which as you know is minus 1. So this is the final answer. This is the simplified number for the given logarithmic expression. So please hit the like button if you like what you saw in my video. And I would love to have your comments, whether you like my video or not. See, if there is anything you think will improve the solution I explained here, please leave your comments Please drop your comments. Also, if you're interested in watching many other videos I'm putting out, press the bell icon so that you will get notified of my other videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.